Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back for my post-market wrap-up on this. I'm not going to say it today. I will not say that it's been a lovely day, because it has not been a lovely day at all. And I want to talk about a lot of things. I'm going to try to put this into a perspective that makes some kind of sense. Anyway, out of control, as usual. Seriously. Tuesday, August 28, 2018. Right off the bat, the NASDAQ did close at a new record high today. I know for a fact that you are not surprised about this. I explained this to you yesterday, that we were going to see more records. Well, this is not going to stop. Let's kind of play off the market a little bit here. Gold and silver, I talked about them this morning, did finish in the negative despite the dollar also finishing in the negative. Gold and silver were higher earlier today. Again, you know this. There is absolute zero, there is no price discovery mechanism whatsoever behind gold and silver at this time. It's just out of control. The paper derivative market, it's not on the elemental chart. It's not real, but it's stringing along the price action of real gold and silver, which is in a downward spiral. It's no matter what the dollar does now. So look, I'm going to set the stage here a little bit. Now, for those of you Trumpians out here, Trumpiacs, whatever the hell you want to call yourselves these days, I am not putting down the president with what I am about to say. And if you don't want to hear anything negative about the president whatsoever, and you want to live under a rock or have your head buried in the sand, well then close out of this video right now and remain in your delusional state. I have no problem with that. But we found out something today that I actually went crazy on, and I tweeted this and I posted it. So how many of you out here, with a show of hands, put your hands up, yes, I can see you, okay? Remember, President Trump stating on day one, well, he was candidate then, on day one of his presidency, of his administration, he was going to declare China a currency manipulator. I mean, he went off the deep end on this. You know, one of the reasons why I voted for this guy, I believed in what he was saying. He also screamed about debts. He screamed off the rooftops about deficits. You know, all that's gone out the window. Now this has gone out the window too. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, this guy, you gotta love this guy. Did you catch him today? Well, now we are praising China for supporting their currency. And he specifically said China is not manipulating their currency. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? I mean, this is really the truth. I don't know. I just don't even know what to say anymore, people. You also do know, and I know this has been flying under the radar, that the farmers are getting, or they just got, their first installment of a bailout, $6 billion of your cash, public bailout of farmers. They're getting another $6 billion too. And again, as I covered, do your own research about this. It looks like Italy is also getting a U.S. citizen bailout. It's an incredible situation. Germany wants to bail out Turkey, and there's all these. Look, this is seriously an incredible situation. It should be no surprise to you. I explained to every single one of you that follow this blog. Last time, we had to bail out the banks, bailed out Wall Street. This time, we're going to bail out countries, and that's exactly what's being set up here. It's freaking out of control here. Understand what's going on. How do I put a perspective on this? The stock market will continue higher. As long as debts and deficits are also exploding to the upside. I mean, this is not going to stop. It's the same thing. Look here, don't look here. I call this the useful idiots syndrome. Look here, don't look here. You see, this is the vast majority of people. They are absolutely useful idiots. And that's the way it's going to continue on. till whenever. It's so crazy. How about this as useful idiots? How about this is a con job. I want you to understand that. We found out today, consumer confidence. You notice the play on words here? Con? Okay. Apparently just hit an 18-year high. President Trump is loving this, but this same gentleman will not tell you, and don't take my word for what I'm about to say here, 4 in 10 Americans are struggling right now just to make ends meet. But we're in a boom. You know that, right? Oh yeah, I forgot that. You will not hear that out of anyone's mouth, especially the president. You will not hear anything about how our debts and deficits are continuing to explode to the upside. Oh, no. But you will hear about how the NASDAQ just hit yet a new record high. This is all a stage set up for the useful idiots. That's all this is. It's incredible. This is essentially, and not essentially, in every sense of the word that you can think about, a house of cards on a global scale that is being built on top of a pool of gasoline. And until debts and deficits stop going up, which they're not going to in this environment, especially with this president, he just wants the Fed to keep the pedal to the metal, wants to bail out Italy, everything else, stocks will also move higher. You understand? Unreal. It's the situation that we're in is literally, I can't even say off the Richter scale because there's no scale here anymore. This has gone way beyond the Richter scale or any other kind of scale that you can come up with. It's the truth. It's frankly unbelievable. It really is. All right, look, I'm going to keep this video kind of short because I want you to contemplate some of the concepts I've went over here with useful idiots, debts, deficits, stock market. How now? Oh no, Trump, day one. I am going to be labeling China a currency manipulator. Now? Oh no, thank you. Thank you for, supporting your currency. Oh yeah. China owns us, you know that. It's an incredible thing. And Trump is bowing now. He might as well start bowing. I don't know why he doesn't do that. He's kissing ass. It's unbelievable. Trump has turned into a kiss ass. What do you think? I'll leave you off with that. I'm not surprised. Are you surprised? Is kissing China's ass? I'm not surprised about that at all. Anyway, with that said, we will reconvene tomorrow. I cannot wait to hear the comments and see them here. But if you're going to bash anything that I just said, back it up with facts. I don't want to hear trust the plan. You trust the plan, you useful idiot. I'm not trusting shit. See you in the morning.